Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a little variety in your trail mix, I want to show you this Prickly Pear Cactus Trail Mix. This is a really tasty little treat that features Prickly Pear Cactus Candy. So maybe instead of having the typical chocolate candies in your trail mix, if you're looking for a little something sweet, this is a really fun little twist. The Prickly Pear Cactus Candy, it's a really tasty sort of gummy treat, and it just adds a nice little variety to the rest of the trail mix, which is super delicious as well. It has almonds, pepitas, peanuts, cashews, pecans, raisins, and of course the cactus candy. So cactus candy is featured a lot in the western states, and I don't live out in that area, but when I visit, I love to try all the different prickly pear cactus treats. So if you want to have a taste of the West, wherever you are, then this prickly pear trail mix is a perfect little treat to keep in your backpack when you're going on a hike, or maybe you're going on a picnic, or you just want to keep it in your bag for when you need a snack. I would definitely recommend it. It's super tasty, and that is my point of view.